every single drop makes its own contribution in the making of an ocean.
All the universities completing more than 33 years of its life in March. And over these 34 years of its life, the university has made tremendous progress in various fields. The university has all the potential of growing at a very fast rate, both academically and otherwise, primarily because we are very near to Delhi.
Faculty is perfect. Everybody is cooperative in the staff.
The universities are providing the more and more facilities for the betterment of students.
I really find it out there are lots of scope for students in here, and of course faculty is wonderful, and even non-teaching staff is very cooperative. That is the thing every student wants from a university.
Which are coming up very fast all over the country, and where by doing a course a student can hope to get a very attractive job.
Welcome to the IH.
We are very close to providing the kind of training that they actually need to get.
When I joined in, MDO was offering this course and we had such a good infrastructure. I checked out the program before joining, so the building is awesome, it's one of the best in the country, and the services provided are awesome because they are also up to top of the level.
It's a very big library. There is hardly any place left out for the students to sit. So students keep waiting that if he gets up or if she gets up, I'll occupy that chair. That kind of a competition continues.
Library is the heart of our university.
More than 2,000 students used to visit our library daily, and you can realize how many books gonna disturb here and there. But they are managing it. That's the wonderful thing.
Library service, you can say that 24-hour services. Whenever you want to come, you can come over here.
A lot of books are available here. Any kind of books you may get are from here, management books or literature books.
One student can sit only one computer. We have all the facility available. All the internet facility are also available.
It's amazing to be a part of this university, and we feel very lucky about this, that we are among the other people.
The only thing that suffer from is that they don't have that level of confidence, because mostly they come from rural areas. Similarly, communication-wise, they are not as effective, as articulate as they are supposed to be.
The department is also given the placement, and our seniors is going to the Pune for the placement and the training purpose. They also provide us the good facilities for the training and placements.
In terms of girls' education is far behind, although it's not now as behind as it used to be previously. But then we do feel that girls are leading and coming in a big way for entering higher education. We applied to the University Guidance Commission. Happily, we have received grant and we are going to establish a women's study center on the campus. Now, this kind of a center will be seized with all types of problems concerning women. Hostel, in fact, we can accommodate nearly 400 students very easily.
Nice wardens, nice attendants, and of course VC sir helps a lot. A lot of facilities are provided to girls there. We feel as if we are at home. We feel very protected about there.
Hostel facility is very good. According to our security, there is very good.
In the absence of hostel, they stay somewhere else in private accommodation. Apart from being expensive, this causes a lot of worries to the parents. So immediately we started working on it. By the time I finish off, on attaining the age of 65, we would have constructed 10 new hostels, each of a capacity of 240 seats. I mean, this was a great need of a campus of this kind, because if I wish to talk to, say, 500 students, I don't have a place where they can assemble and I talk to them meaningfully. So the requirement of an auditorium was a basic necessity. And long queues of plantations done, and these tree guards have been put up. And I believe that if we go on working at this rate and with this deal, I think the university can. Sports, the university has a niche. I would say that students are very keen and they have a cause to appreciate in blood donation. I mean, we are ahead of any other institution in blood donation. It takes place on the university campus, and different student organizations do it. I would say that here we are the best. So since re-inspection has become due, I would ensure that this reach it by neck, takes place as early as possible, and we get the grade that we deserve. And the grade that you deserve is A+, not A, but A+++. You would get it, sure. This one.